Welcome once again, and let's talk about Binance. Yes, we all know that Binance, they actually have about 20% of Terra Classic coin, and 47% of Terra Classic coins is being traded on Binance. Now, Binance have been supporting Terra Classic network upgrade and so many things that concern Terra Classic. Now, one important thing to understand is that there are so many coins, but Terra Classic for now is Binance number one crypto coins Binance has been supporting. Terra Classic is number one crypto coins Binance are really pushing. Binance are strongly behind trying to help this coin to gain a lot. Now, don't feel that why is Binance showing great support for Terra Classic? The truth is, everyone is here for a business, and Binance are also holding some Terra Classic coin. They bought Terra Classic coin. They have some coins for themselves. So if Terra Classic finally increases in price, Binance will be making billions of dollars. That is why you can see even CZ is really pushing this coin. When Terra Classic crashed, Binance also lost some money. Okay, not just that. Binance are just showing support. Binance lost money with Terra Classic, worth of about over $1 billion, about $1.6 billion. So for Binance to really start showing more support, they believe if this coin all the way from 0.0003 can go back to just 1 cent, imagine how much Binance will be making. Okay, now imagine you buy Terra Classic right now. At the time of recording this, you purchase Terra Classic worth of $100, and this coin right now rises and hit at 1 cent, you'll be making about $10,000. Now imagine how much Binance will be making with millions of dollars being invested on Terra Classic. You see, Binance will be making a lot of money. Yes, they will be making a lot of money. So to me, I think Binance CZ, you all know that CZ, as was the time CZ was ranked to be worth about $66 billion, and later there are kind of news that CZ is now worth about 25 or something billion dollars after the crypto crash. So now everyone wants to really make their money back. So many crypto exchanges didn't survive the crypto crash. So many crypto billionaires we have lost a lot of money. Some crypto billionaires became millionaires. Okay, they are no longer billionaires because of crypto crash. And BTC all the way from $67,000 down to $15,000. You know, that's a great loss. So Binance have chosen Terra Classic are one of the coins have been pushing. They want to make sure that this coin will continue to rise so that they can recover, and so many other people that hold Terra Classic will also recover from the crash. And I'm happy that, of course, me myself, I'm holding Terra Classic coin, and I'm hoping that this coin will continue to rise, and we all hope that Terra Classic will eventually reach 1 cent or $1. When it gets to 1 cent or $1, this is going to be one of the biggest rise, one of the biggest profit, I think, this year. And I hope that Binance will never give up on Terra Classic, because so many people are now staking Terra Classic coin. You can see even now, that was a few weeks ago, Kucoin actually staked about 47 billion coins of Terra Classic. So many people have been staking. The staking is now hitting over 1 trillion coins. So people are actually believing that this coin will definitely rise. Everybody wants to make profit with Terra Classic. That's why I'm hoping to see this coin continue to rise. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.